Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by isolating identity. Use a clean device or fresh browser profile so no cookies or logged accounts leak data. Next, connect to a reputable VPN to mask your IP, then open a privacy browser like Tor or a hardened Firefox to reduce fingerprinting. Once connected, create a throwaway email and register a new Reddit account while the VPN is active. This sequence prevents linkages. Device, network, browser, and account, each one reduces a different de-anonymization vector. Once you have an anonymous account and safe network, harden behavior to avoid leaks. Disable or limit JavaScript with no script because scripts can fingerprint you. Install tracker and fingerprint blocking extensions to further reduce leaks. Make sure to isolate cookies and local storage by using container tabs or clearing storage between sessions, and pick a generic username that won't link back to other profiles. Access Reddit either through its Onion service in Tor or only inside your VPN-connected private. Now finalize privacy. Before posting, confirm there are no IP or DNS leaks using quick privacy checks so you won't accidentally expose your real IP. When finished, log out, clear session data, and close the browser. Repeatable hygiene prevents cumulative linkage over time. If something goes wrong, say Reddit flags activity or you spot a leak, first rotate to a different VPN server, audit or remove suspicious extensions, and rebuild the throwaway account if necessary. That recovery path restores anonymity without exposing your main identity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.